Someone should probably let them know that. Yeah, someone should probably let them know that. They forgot that. Are we in danger? Okay, cool. We good. Nothing happened.
I've got to see this. I left Ryder a present.
Okay, we're back.
Is it there?
Okay. I don't think my model's like too bad. I don't think so. I think it's good. Like, okay, I think it's.
Let there be two.
There's like only 3 things wrong with it. But.
Oh, they didn't do it. Oh.
Yeah, it's good. I think it's okay.
Where's baby Boom Kissy?
I think it's good. Yeah, the texture memory is definitely an issue, but yeah, it'll be alright. It'll be good. Damn, I forgot to turn off the music. Maybe I can do it from here. No, I can't. Hang on, let me go back to spawn 1 second. I forgot to turn off music. Where is it? Do I turn off the music?
Follow me, we're going to get you to the dock.
There we go.
Turn off music.
There we go, we're good. Okay.
Shelf. It's on the yes. Is it? Oh, I don't know. What's on the shelf? Junbei.
Yep, AA is finally back. After so long. Honestly, it's crazy. It's kind of nuts. It's really nuts. There's a feeling over my body right now, and I can't quite explain what that feeling is. But I feel good. Like, I feel good. I feel real good. To roleplay with all my friends again. Thank you, love. Jittery but excited. I think so. Hey, you okay?
Yeah. No, you? Ugh.
Yeah?
Had the craziest dream. I had this dream that we went to Abagua and we went on this, like, I don't know, like 1-year journey of trying to find these, like, mammoth salt things that you used to snort. And, like, we were just searching the desert for years, like, digging up these random X's in the dirt and the sand. And then, like, what are they called? The, the bad people out in Abagua, what are their name? The Inquisition or whatever. They were like attacking us, and they were like, they arrested you for having these salts. So I don't know, man.
Well, if it helps you any, let's see. I don't have any of that stuff left. It's all gone.
Good.
I feel like I've gone through a life-changing development.
Oh. Really? Okay. What happened? You pissed yourself in the bed again? Like,
No,
you
Zach,
want to go over
no,
this,
I didn't know. We're not going over the time I pissed myself in bed.
Okay, all right, man. I didn't know if we were going back into like we shit the bed territory.
No,
or anything.
we're not doing
You're not
that.
getting nightmares about Rook again, are you?
No, not.
Okay, just making sure.
But I do want you to know that
He's a
they
hypocrite.
took my shit, so I had to go through life-changing things,
You rehabbed basically in your sleep, is what you're telling me.
Exactly.
I see. All right. Okay, I get you, man.
You know what my dreams consisted of? Huh? You know
Tell
what
me.
dreams consisted of?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. I feel like
If you say cheesy bacons,
I wasn't gonna say that. It's too early in the morning.
lost moment.
Yeah, way too early in the morning. But anywho, I had a dream that I saved the world 4 times in a row due to different cataclysmic events.
That sounds way cooler than my dream. Why the fuck can't I have your dreams?
I don't know, Zachary. I don't know.
Have we always had that plan?
Go to the shelf.
Well,
What is wait?
we never had this plan before. Wait.
Yes!
Now,
I did it!
now, I
That was
know
my idea.
for a fact that what the fuck is this?
That was my idea.
No.
What is this? Wait a minute. I just realized there's a cactus. Boom Kissy.
Damn.
Who you been fucking?
That's exactly what I want to know. Boom Kissy, whose spores of cactus have you been cactusing with?
It's a girl.
I don't know what to think. I don't know what to think.
That's your responsibility. That's not mine.
That plant's gonna die, dude. I ain't got time for taking care of another thing.